This is a new phase, game change. Flying by in real time, catching a deep wave at the right pace. Seeing with bright eyes, I'm not looking for a reason. I'm giving up control. I'm not shying from pieces on my own. Let it show. Take the time to conversate, ride the flow. Become better on the way. Taking my
Hey everybody, my name is Susie, and if you're new to my channel, I'm gonna welcome you to my beautiful adventures around the van. Today, why did I sound like a news broadcaster? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new on my channel, this is my adventure in my little home, and today we are still in Scotland, and I just parked in front of the Old Man of Storr. It's very famous, but it's also very windy and rainy and cloudy outside, but it's not gonna hold me back from trying to climb the mountain. I'll see how far I can get. I hope I will get a good view though on top of it, because it's supposed to be a very beautiful view, but I mean, with that, all the clouds, I probably won't be able to see much. I'm gonna have a shower tonight, so it's not that bad if I'm gonna get all wet. You probably can already hear the wind and the rain, right? What is the point in staying home all day? I don't really have a waterproof pants, so these are the only sort of waterproof. They are my ski pants. These are the ones I'm gonna wear now. Scotland has been yet so far really amazing. I mean, very amazing. Just the feeling of driving through the highlands, the valleys, the mountains. Fine. It's all the protection I can give to you, Penito. Good boy. My van looks a little bit like trash right now, to be honest. First of all, water. Maybe I put it inside. I should get a waterproof bag. This one isn't waterproof, actually. I don't know if that makes sense much. I'll get it so. My keys. And your sleeves eventually. This ball. I don't know if we should play ball outside, Penyo, huh? I'll take it in case. Do I need a hat to keep myself warm even more? But I'm having a ponytail today. A ponytail in a hat. This is the worst combo, but who cares? It's not like I have to look good for anybody, right? Okay, so now since I am fluffed up with this shirt, it's gonna be very difficult to wear this jacket because it's very tight fitted. I look like a mountain girl. There you go. Let me just put this inside. Stand that here. I can't believe I can squeeze this big shirt into this jacket. I look like a mountain girl now, like a ski girl, snowboard girl, but an ugly one. See, this is my little tiny camera, which I use, which I normally never use, but I thought today would be handy because then I don't have to take my big camera.
in the midnight, hold your head up high when the fear comes. No, don't fall behind. Hey, this is where we grow. This is our revelation.
excited, guys. This is going to be the last hike of the year, because after that, in about 5 days, I'm gonna head over to my boyfriend. I'm gonna fly there and leave my van in Manchester because I don't want to spend Christmas fully alone. And I thought it would be nice to see him, also bringing Penyo there. And then yeah, I haven't seen him for 2 months, but for some reason we are really managing this long distance relationship really well. I know you've been all asking if we're still together. Talking and hiking is really we call each other actually every day, so I guess we both still make time for each other. We still value each other, and I think that's our little secret to maintain this relationship, you know. We are very supportive and we never bother each other, but we're always so supportive, and we're just like best friends. We have fun, and yeah, I guess that's all. I was on my birthday alone already, so I thought being on Christmas alone maybe would be a bit sad, so I thought I should go and see him. Look at this view! Wow, 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 wow. Look. I still don't get enough. When I see mountains, when I see the beach, when I see beautiful forest or a beautiful lake, every time I go, oh my god, and I get so excited. I don't know. Can you come too? Come. Oh, do I need to carry you? Because you don't like this hold, right? Come here. Atta. That little thing doesn't feel comfortable here on those kind of stairs. I have to carry him. So pretty. So pretty. It is very slippery though, because of the rain. Look at the home. See that tiny white dot? There. There. That is my van. It's a good view from up here. Oh wow! Look at that! Can you langsam? Jalapeno! Where are you going? I'm sweating like crazy. But it's so rewarding, isn't it? We're not there yet though. Let's keep going. Guys, I'm gonna make a stop here now. Because the way is very steep. And I think I took some sort of off-road way. At least it's not marked, but I can see here. Do you see that? These are footprints of a sheep. I'm so exhausted. It's already 2. I don't want to stay too long because it's gonna get dark soon.
This is a new phase, game change. Flying by in real time, catching a deep wave at the right pace. Seeing with bright eyes. I'm not looking for a reason. I'm giving
Penyo! Again, he's always just somewhere, and then he pops up all of a sudden. Haha, there he is. He's just too fast. He's so fast. He's been running uphill, downhill, really steep mountains. I don't know how he can do it. And he's still fit. He's so sporty. Are you doing it, Benito? You're so scared. Yes, pushing against your fear. I'm so proud of you. See? We can all learn a little bit from Penyo. Always pushing through the fear, huh? Good job! Oh, step by step. Good boy! Yeah! Good job! High five! Okay, no worries. He just doesn't care. If I give him love, I can't believe we were all the way out there. It's getting dark now. We just made a good timing and we had perfect weather for today, really. It said actually it would rain, but it didn't rain. So very lucky. We are back. Penny's in and I have to fill up these. There was something, yes. There you go. Just have to cross the street. It's so good here, you can just get water every corner. It's mountain water. I think that's quite fancy. There you go.
I'm not shying from my pieces on my own. Let it show. Take the time to conversate by the flow.
So this is a foot peeling that I wanted to try out. I'm not 100% sure how it's gonna work because they say the result will be visible in about 3-5 days. But I think it's also something that gets rid of your callus. And I need to wear it about 60 to 90 minutes. Good morning, guys. I got ready. I feel super fresh because of my shower yesterday, and I'm still around the area. Well, I'm still waiting for my package. When it arrives, I'll let you know. Otherwise, I'm just trying to call and figure out where it is so I can eventually pick it up myself. And then, you know, because I have 4 days left to go to Manchester, and it's still about 5 hours driving, but with my van it would be around 8 hours of driving. So I'm a little bit nervous because I really want to get to Manchester in time. I still have to buy Penyo a travel bag so he can come with me on board. And while we're waiting for the package to be delivered, I'm gonna play ball with Penyo with my lazy people playing dog lazy people dog playing pool. Penyo with my lazy people dog playing too. Yes, you're right. You'll get it. God. Damn, it's really far. Really far out. Stop, stop. Oh no. I'm sorry. I don't think we can get it. Because it's spiky. It's a spiky. Ouch. Oh. Oh, Penyo. No, don't go in. Because these are spiky ones. Penyo. Don't go in. Alright. I'm gonna go again to the post station. Because there was a delivery update. It still didn't arrive. They said it's on the car. But yeah. Here it is. On the Balachulish Co-op. Inside there's a post station. Because everything is very small here. It's like a super small town, super small village almost. And now we have to wait and hope that the package will arrive. Not yet, but it's supposed to come today. Maybe I'll just get something to eat and then wait outside. Wait outside of here. Something sweet, maybe. What we got? I would like to eat some kind of sweet cake. Anything? Almond Danish pastry or cinnamon swirl. I think that sounds good. They are all really crazy about their toffee here and puddings. Their toffee puddings and black pudding and all kinds of puddings. I think that's it. So I'll just wait here now in the front of the shop for my package. I'm gonna observe if the delivery guy pops up. So now, since you see those mundane parts of my life, receiving post must be the difficult things. Not difficult, but a little bit more exhausting kind of thing. While I'm traveling in a foreign country, I don't know in what kind of shops I can get certain things. So I was looking for a lithium battery charger, and I went to one car store, and they normally don't sell these things. I guess it's a bit more rare. So and a dog pool, like the one that I use for a shower, it has a hole at the moment, and I ordered a new one because I glued it and I taped it, but with the water it still comes out. What I did was I ordered the stuff, but yeah, without the address. I just went into that post office store before and asked if I could send something over there, and they said yes, it's okay. But I just hope it will really come today, because you know, I'm a little bit in the rush of going to Manchester because I can't wait to see my boyfriend again. So what do we do, Penium? Just eat and wait, right? I feel like a detective, just observing. I can't wait till afternoon then. I could go somewhere else and pop up later, but I don't want to miss him. And as soon as I get the package, I want to go. I want to drive a lot today.
Meanwhile,
Euer Vater hat uns gebeten, uns um Kattegat zu kümmern, bevor wir nach Westen segeln.
2 hours later,
Ich muss an Kattegat denken.
a long, angry line later.
Dafür gibt es keine Entschuldigung. Ich hätte nie gedacht, dass so...
Eventually,
What can I say? I waited 4 hours and it's finally there. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Delivery heaven, you made it come true. So we're gonna unpack this later on, because now I just want to drive, because we still have so much to go. And you know, I can't drive fast. I can only drive 80 to 90 kilometers an hour, which is I think about 60 miles. I'm gonna say bye mountains. I'm heading back out of Scotland. I loved Scotland and I loved Glencoe, and especially with the snow and the winter, it was beautiful and no mosquitoes around. So yeah, I just took a hitchhiker with me real quick. Just wanted to get to the car, and then he said, oh, thank you. So many drove past and said, obviously someone with this kind of van will stop, right? So right, let's get going. Woohoo!
Take it